Welcome to JH. Today we are looking at Juna's Chlorophyll Detox Drops, the trendy green supplement that is currently colonizing every wellness influencer's social media feed. Is it actually worth the hype, or are we just paying for expensive pond water? Let's find out. Juna offers these liquid drops that you squeeze into your water, promising to fix your bloating, boost digestion, and even act as an internal deodorant, because apparently, smelling like a human is now a medical condition that needs a cure. The main ingredient is sodium copper chlorophyllin derived from white mulberry leaves, spiked with lemon and mint oils for flavor. They claim it's 3 times stronger than your average chlorophyll supplement, which is great if you are planning on becoming a professional plant via photosynthesis. You just add 1 dropper to your water up to 3 times a day. It is simple enough for even the most caffeine-deprived morning brain to handle without making a mess. Now for the good news. The taste is actually fantastic. While most chlorophyll supplements taste like you are licking the underside of a lawnmower, this has a fresh, minty lemon vibe that actually makes you want to hydrate. The ingredients are clean, vegan, and non-GMO, with absolutely no weird additives. Some users report feeling more energized and significantly less like a human balloon after a few weeks of use. It even comes in premium packaging, because if you are spending this much on a drink additive, the bottle better look like it graduated from art school. But here is the reality check. It is pricey. We are talking up to $40 a month for the privilege of drinking green water. Plus, the science behind these detox claims is about as solid as a house of cards in a hurricane. Chlorophyll is fine, but it is not a magic eraser for your poor weekend decisions. Also, a fair warning, it can turn your urine green. It is perfectly harmless, but definitely a fun surprise if you enjoy feeling like Shrek every time you go to the bathroom. So should you buy it? If you struggle to drink enough water and have the budget to spare, the flavor alone might make it a win. But if you are looking for a miracle detox solution, just save your money and buy some actual spinach. Your liver and kidneys have been doing the detoxing for free since the day you were born. My verdict? It is a nice-to-have luxury, not a survival essential. It offers great taste and clean ingredients, but it is definitely a premium price for what you get. Let me know in the comments if you have tried it, and thanks for watching.